Assalamualaikum dear students. This is Nelson, your English teacher. Dear students, today we are going to discuss why boys fail in college. बच्चे कॉलेज में फेल क्यों होते हैं, आज वो हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। इसके अलावा द ब्रीफ सर्वे ऑफ द लेसन वो डिस्कस करेंगे। इसके अलावा जो मेन रीजन होती हैं जिसकी वजह से बच्चे फेल होते हैं वो आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। आइए चलते हैं हमारे आज के लेसन की तरफ।
Why Boys Fail in College by Herbert E. Hawks। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो ये है कि बच्चे कॉलेज में फेल क्यों होते हैं, वो आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। Students can be divided into two classes. One, those who try to pass but fail, and second, those who do not try at all and fail. Dear students, कुछ तालिब इल्म ऐसे होते हैं जो पास होने की कोशिश भी करते हैं, लेकिन उन तालिब इल्मों की मुश्किलात का सही तजज़िया किया गया है जो कोशिश के बावजूद नाकाम हो जाते हैं। इसके अलावा कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो कोशिश ही नहीं करते कि वो पास कर जाएं एग्ज़ाम, और एट द एंड वो फेल हो जाते हैं। वो अपना टाइम फ़न में स्पेंड कर देते हैं, वो इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेते, वो जस्ट एजुकेशन को इजी ले लेते हैं, इसलिए वो फेल हो जाते हैं। So dear students, now we will discuss the reasons for their failure. First one is lack of concentration, second mistaken ambition of the parents, third one is a poor health, and fourth one is a financial pressure. First one is lack of concentration. The first cause of failure that Herbert E. Hawks discusses is that the lack of concentration on the part of the students. When such a student sits at the desk, his interest is not in his studies but setting his things right. The solution to this problem is only with the boy himself. He should realize that in this way he is wasting his time. Only then he can control these habits. Second one is a mistaken ambition of the parents. Third one is a poor health, and fourth one is a financial pressure. These are the main reason for their failure. Now we will discuss reasons for their failure. Reason for those who do not try at all. First one is a pride. Second one is interest in sports. Third one is a lack of any serious aim. So first one is a pride. The main cause of the failure of such students is that they are overconfident. Their performance at school was brilliant, so they think that with the same amount of labor they will get through the college examination as well. Second one is the interest in sports. The boys who take too much interest in sports They lose interest in studies and fail. They have two options for either studies or sports. Third one is a lack of any serious aim. Some of the college students do not have any serious aim in life. They join the college for the sake of fun. The title calls them the lazy bluffers. Now we are going to discuss questions and their answers. Question number 1. According to the author, there are some boys who fail because they do not try. The boys who do not try to get through are bound to fail in examination. They are the students who do not realize the importance of education in life. As a result, they fail. Question number 1. According to the author, there are some boys who fail because they do not try. The boys who do not try to get through are bound to fail in examination. They are the students who do not realize the importance of education in life. As a result, they fail. Question number 2. How does mistaken ambition on the part of boys and parents lead to failure of boys? सेकेंड वन ये है कि बच्चे फेल क्यों होते हैं, क्योंकि उनके वालिद की ये ख्वाहिश होती है कि बच्चे ये सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ें, लेकिन बच्चों में वो इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता. सो आंसर देखते हैं इसका. The parents sometimes ignore the liking of the boys and force them to study the subjects of their own choice. Such boys are unable to show good results because they do not find any serious interest in these subjects. बाज़ पेरेंट्स ये भूल जाते हैं कि बच्चे की पसंद क्या है. वो उन्हें वो सब्जेक्ट पढ़ने को कहते हैं जिसमें वो बच्चे तो इंटरेस्ट नहीं रखते, लेकिन वो फोर्सली उनको कहते हैं कि आप ये सब्जेक्ट पढ़ें. रिजल्ट ये आता है कि वो फेल हो जाते हैं. Question number 3. To extent does the questions of health lead to failure at college? And some of the college boys fail because they are suffering some hidden diseases. They cannot work with concentration and show poor performance. As a result, they fail. Question number 4. How does the financial problem lead to the failure of the students? The financial problem poses a serious threat to the college boys when they cannot bear the expenses of their education. They do some jobs. This extra burden spoil their health as well as the quality of their education. Question number 5. What place does the writer according to sportsmen in colleges? The writer says very clearly that a college is a place for giving education to students. It is not a place for the sportsmen only. Sports of the college also need the participation of students, but the main target must not be ignored. Question number 6. Who are the lazy bluffers? Lazy bluffers are those students who come to college and do not pay attention to their studies. They come to college just for fun. As a result, they fail. कुछ तालिब इल्म कॉलेज में जस्ट फन के लिए आते हैं, वो सारा दिन एंजॉय करते हैं और जब इम्तिहान का टाइम पास आता है तो वो कुछ भी नहीं लिख पाते और रिज़ल्ट ये आता है कि वो फेल हो जाते हैं। ये लेज़ी स्टूडेंट होते हैं जो कि जस्ट फन करने के लिए कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेते हैं। थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर व्यूअर्स, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, लाइक एंड शेयर इट, एंड प्लीज़ प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर द न्यू notification of the videos. For more information, you can call me 0300 122 7878. Allah Hafiz.